Hi, I'm Dene Lewis. I'm Head of Technical Strategy at CAE, and I'm here to talk about how end-to-end security can give you more good days. Well, let's look at it from the perspectives of some of the key people. What's a good day in security for our leaders? Well, they understand that they're threat risk, they're confident that we're protected as an organisation, and they're comfortable that if there is a situation, they have all of the tools and all of the people in place to be able to address them. If we look at our operators, what's a good day in security for our operators? Well, a great day for an operator is that we have no incidents. Of course, that's a good day. But what else are we dealing with for those people? There's a lot of mundane work out there. There's a lot of repetitive tasks in security that they're having to do day to day, and that's quite painful. If we can help them to make that better, we can give them a more rewarding day, but also we can enable them to be productive, feel rewarded that they're doing their job, and feel like they're contributing to an organisation. And then think about the users. Now, I'm a user and we're all users within our organisations, okay? And what is a good day for us in security? Well, I can tell you for me, a good day in security is that I can switch on my laptop and I can get to work as quick and as seamlessly as possible. As important as it is to protect an organisation, it is also important to make sure you find the right balance of empowering the users. And that's a real challenge, particularly when we think about the world that we're in now. So traditionally with security, how have we addressed some of these issues? Well, we've approached it by looking at point products, point solutions to address a very tactical issue or a very specific issue. That's resulted in this. A lot of products, a lot of vendors in an organisation. Now, I speak to a lot of customers and regularly have conversations where customers are telling us they have 10, 20, 30 different vendors and end up with a huge sprawl, which is a challenge to manage and a challenge to operate effectively. The way we move away from that is we need to move to a platform approach. And if you see recent surveys from Gartner, they say that 75% of organisations are on a journey through to consolidate vendors and solutions within security. CAE's platform approach and their end-to-end strategy starts with zero trust. Zero trust is a journey. It's a challenging journey for many organisations, and for some it will be an unreachable goal. But every organisation I speak to is on some form of zero trust journey. It's important that we define what zero trust means. For CAE, that is identity. So who is that person who is trying to access information? Then it's compliance. Is that device safe? And finally, it's least privileged access, which is what is the least amount of access that person needs to do their job effectively. Then we get to this little piece here, and this is about addressing security in an end-to-end platform that goes from your endpoints, and that may well be your users, that may well be your IoT devices, your sensors, those kinds of things, all the way through to your apps and your data, which creates a huge amount of complexity. And between that, you have a complex set of networks that are not just moving across your own private networks, but across multiple networks over the internet. And again, if we think of remote working, you have users that are at home, you have users that are sitting in coffee shops. You need to be able to address them and empower them securely wherever they are. All of this doesn't work without a consolidated set of security tools. And it's important that you consider those security tools with this as a full holistic approach. Underpinned by Talos Threat Intelligence, which is the largest non-governmental organisation as far as headcount is concerned, focused on addressing cyber threats. That's how we see organisations are going to be able to address the modern complexities of digital transformation, cloud growth, and working everywhere with a modern security strategy.